1960s, and he goes to Sonny for advice. The old man tells him to bet on love and take his chance because Jane could be one of the great ones. Please join me in welcoming to the stage Ryan Elbert and Edgar Chavez Alvarado.
There's a kind of a girl that's in your heart whirling away. But those are the kind you don't happen to find every day. You meet smart ones and tough ones, just good enough ones. The fine kid go out there, enjoy. But in all of your life, you get only 3 shots at the real McCoy. And this girl could be one of the great ones. This girl could be one of the ones you won't forget. If the stars in your eyes make your confidence rise like a rocket that's ready to blow, then she might be one of your great ones. Don't let her go. Now you know instantly when one of your 3 comes along. 'Cause she gazes at you, and it's like you can do nothing wrong. Oh, the sweet ones, the slight ones, the close ones, not quite close, but then you just get what you see. But the great ones, kid, what they're showing you is the man you could be. And this girl could be one of the great ones. This girl could be one of the ones on whom you bet. Do you fly off the rails with the wind in your sails? Whenever she sends you a glance, then she might be one of your great ones. Don't take a chance. Yeah, this girl could be one of the great ones. Yeah, this one could be one of the ones you won't regret. If she's smiling at you like she knows you through, makes you believe it somehow, then think you found one of the great ones. Go to her now. Go to her now. Yeah, go to her now. Yeah, this girl could be one of those great ones. This one could be one of the ones you won't regret. Let your dreams slip away, and you'll wonder one day if maybe, if only, but you don't forget one of your great ones. Trust me, I know. Trust me, I know.
Alrighty. My name is Rylan Marr, and I'm our other co-MC for tonight. For our next song, we find ourselves in 1913 in the town of Marietta, Georgia. A child was murdered in Leo Frank's factory, and he is found guilty despite his heartfelt pleas otherwise. Leo's wife, Lucille, convinces the governor to reopen the case. Leo's case is indeed not over yet. Please welcome Trivian Massons to the stage to perform This is not over yet.
Oh, my sweet Lucille, how did you ever manage it? You don't know what elegance means, do you? It means can't spoil your parties. Forget your big parade. It means the crowds will not be cheering, so despite what you've been hearing, you can lay down or stay. It means my mother can't stop crying. My rabbi's eulogy can wait. It means that Dorsey can stop beaming, and my cousin can stop dreaming of this portion of my estate. It means no, this isn't over. No, the tape's not sad. No, I won't wake up tomorrow drowning in my sweat. It means I've got the greatest partner, and now I'll never to rest me back, cause this is not over. Tell my uncle not to worry, tell her not to worry. Make and stop his troubling, cause I'm coming in the town today. So now I have to make my schemes, things up beyond believing, and we're finally on our way. And though this isn't over, hell is just begun. Hell, the resurrection of the south sweet sun. It means I live out for better, and two is better than the journey ahead might get shorter. I might reach the end of my road, but suddenly loud as a mortar, there is hope. Finally, hope. And though this isn't over, though we are through, though there's still a million things that you and I can do, and I never have believed it, the things I see. Man who isn't guilty doesn't have to walk the plank. Means the gallows or hate, doesn't mean God my right to think. Means you shouldn't underestimate the seal and the afraid. Cause it's not over yet.
Will you please report backstage? Thank you. In the finale of Epic the Musical, Odysseus returns home after a 20-year voyage. It's a touching song of a lovely reunion. Please welcome Bella Moore and George Posel to the stage to perform Would You Fall in Love with Me Again?
they traded friends like objects I could use. Hurt more lives than I can count on my hands. But all of that was to bring me back to you. So tell me, would you fall in love with me again if you knew all I've done, the things I cannot change? I am not the man you. I know that you've been waiting. Could you say this? I had built that wedding bed with my blood and sweat, carved it into the olive tree where we first met, a symbol of our love everlasting. Do you realize what you have asked me? The only way to move it is to cut it from its roots.
Like all other children who died at St. Cassian, Jane Doe has an opportunity to sing about herself and her story and hopes she'll be resurrected after her death. However, she doesn't know who she is. This complicates things, as she very well knows. Please enjoy the Ballad of Jane Doe as performed by Nix King.
Some say we are released, pushing daisies to cease, but we all know the words must be fed. There's just one lingering fear, my soul, is it here, or is it rotting somewhere with my head? My soul, my soul. St. Peter, let me in. You must know where I've been. Won't you tell me at last who I And from the ground beneath my feet, I hear the edge of the street. And like an old forgotten tune, a song that no one knows. Forgot how it goes. Just join and be forever eternally. There you go. And I'm asking why, Lord? This is how I die, Lord. Leaving that with no family and no friends. I got no celebration, just this consolation. Slow his children in the end. Does anyone care? And she's asking, why, Lord? This is going to die, Lord. Isn't there anyone to tell me who I am? No singing songs of celebration. Just the songs of
Will my lightning please head back to the stage? And then next, Seaborn is presented with a difficult choice I'm sure we've all had before. Our flesh-eating plant needs more blood. Okay. He has a way to sate its appetite, and it seems to be simple enough. His crush, Audrey, has a sadistic dentist boyfriend. Here we go, I guess. Please join me in welcoming to the stage Abby Zayas and Ivy Johnson to perform Now It's Just the Gas.
Seymour, this is going to be a pleasure. In fact, I think I'm going to want to use some nitrous oxide for this one. I think I'm going to use my special mask. Stay right there. I'll be back in a moment.
Now, do it now, while he's gassing himself to a palpable stupor this
Chinese ideal in the molten sword, ready and fire and blow this ambassador away. Now, just a flicker of pressure right through on my trigger and the water will then come out and activate for another day. Now, for the world, now, for the plant, now, yes, I will. Oh, I see where I am the lion now. Oh, the things are getting to me now. Oh, I guess enough about this stuff. I'll just take the mask off now. Hey, Seymour, guess what? What? The mask! It's stuck. What? It's stuck. I can't get it off. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm asphyxiated here. Seymour, give me that hand, will you? Well, he says, well, Seymour, I don't think you understand. Don't be fooled if I should feel like a sappy antidote. It's just a gas. It's got me high, but don't let that make you see me anymore. Time to cry. Am I capable of that sort of their mind? I'm not mortal. Why this whole thing drives me funny? I don't know. Because it really is the wrong way to go. What we have here is an ethical dilemma similar to the national parents and guys are fired on the way of mentioned fire and finish with simple laissez-faire. What we have here is a typical question of that's not laissez-faire. Shooting the next time, face are on my side, and operator sitting in the chair. Don't be fooled. I should chuckle like hyenas in a zoo. It's just the gas. It turns me on. Don't let her see me anymore. Oh, my life is such a failure. It's the oxide of it here. It's difficult as hell to catch my breath. Are you done? Or hard of hearing? Or relieved? My end takes me real. Are you satisfied? I'm left myself to death?
Well, quite frankly, that was terrifying. For our next act, we find Betty Boop in New York. She's living life, and she's where she wants to be, which is not where that last act was. Please welcome Maya Blackman, and who has also found out where she wants to be, to the stage to perform Where I Want to Be.
Okay, fellas, key of G, we've been saying, who is she? Hey there, New York Times.
Up next, Jamie is an aspiring journalist, is celebrating his rapid success and his new relationship with a woman named Kathy. Jeez, Jamie, well, ain't you fucking...
I've been advised to get on with the show.
Please enjoy Moving Too Fast as performed by Viva Rusky.
Did I just hear an alarm start ringing? Did I see sirens go flying past? For I don't know what tomorrow's bringing. I got a singular impression things are moving too fast. I'm riding smooth as a figure skater. I'm riding hot as a rocket blast. I just expected it 10 years later. I got a singular impression things are moving too fast. You say, oh no, step on the brakes, do whatever it takes, but stop this train. Slow, slow, the lights turning red. And I say, no, no, whatever I do, I'll barrel through, and I don't complain no matter what I try. Flying full speed ahead. I'm never worried to walk the wire. I won't do anything, just half-ass. But with the stakes getting somewhat higher, I got this singular impression things are moving too fast. I found a woman I love, and I found the agent who loves me. Some things get bumpy, but some people analyze every detail. Some people stall when they can't see the trail. And some people freeze out of fear they'll fail. But I keep rolling on. Some people can't find success in their hearts. Some people never feel love in their hearts. Some people can't tell who they are, but I keep rolling on. Oh, maybe I can't follow through. I dreamed of riding like the high and now I'm just stuck in the bending war. I met my first to know how I need. I'm doing things I've never dreamed of before. We start to take the next step together. Found an apartment on 73rd. The Atlantic monthly rate, my first tender. $2,000 without me writing one word. I left Columbia and I don't regret it. I wrote a book and sunny made of it. My heart was stolen, my eagle stolen, my trusty rolling on. hurry. I'm feeling out here, get out of class. I'm so happy I can't hurry enough. Singular impression. I've got a singular impression. Things are moving too fast.
Lenora Frigid is just so obsessed with Wade Walker. So much so, in fact, she's going to sing a song about it, how obsessed she is with Wade and all the actions she's going to do to justify herself. Rowan Love remarks, "This is my final goodbye to my upper range and exchanging it for being one step closer to who I truly am as I start testosterone soon. Please join me in welcoming to the stage Rowan Love to perform Screw Loose."
Screw loose. That's what they say I've got. Or maybe they say I'm not playing with full deck. But hey, what the heck can I do? Maybe I've got a screw loose for you. Bonkers. That's what they're calling me. Not metaphorically, they truly insane. But they can't hear the voice in my brain, giving orders to loving you. Eccentric, erratic, toys in the memory, that's in the eye. I just don't see more. I'm counting your name on
Tony, our main character from West Side Story, has just learned the name of a girl he met at a dance. Her name is Maria, and oh boy is he happy about it. Please welcome Professor Logan Mayfield to perform Maria.
most beautiful sound I ever heard. Maria, 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 Maria. All the beautiful sounds in the world in a single word. Maria, 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 Maria. Maria, Maria, Maria. I just met a girl named Maria. And suddenly I think we'll never be the same to me. Maria, I just kissed a girl named Maria. And suddenly I found how wonderful the sound can be. Maria, say it loud when there's music playing. Say it soft, it's almost like rain. Maria, I'll never stop saying Maria. Maria, 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 say it loud with this music playing. Say it soft, it's almost like rain. Maria, I'll never stop saying Maria. The most beautiful sound I ever heard. Maria.
We find Arthur Morgan in a rut. He's unsure of his life, and he isn't as strong as he believed himself to be. With so much riding on his shoulders, Arthur realizes a simple truth. Only he can pull himself out of this mess. Only he can stand against his struggles. Please join me in welcoming Ryan Finn to perform Unshaken.
May I stand unshaken amidst a crashing world? Did I hear thunder? Did I hear rain? I can't quite remember just what guided me this way. May I stand unshaken amidst a crashing world. The pines, they often whisper. They whisper what no tongue can tell. He who drinks from the deep water may know the depths of the well. Well, stand unshaken amidst a crashing world. May I stand unshaken amidst crashing world. Oh, traveler, what have you seen? Were there crossroads where you've been? I once was standing tall, now I feel my back's against the wall. May I stand unshaken amid Mr. Crash's world? May I stand unshaken amid Mr. Crash's world? The morning light, when it comes for me, he was there, but I could not see. And I wonder, as a wayward son, will the hunter be hunted by a smoking gun? Stand unshaken amid Mr. Crash's world. May I stand unshaken amid Mr. Crash's world. May I stand unshaken amid Mr. Crash's world.
Ladies and gentlemen, hold the presses. Hamilton has cheated on his wife. I've seen this coming, not me, because I have zero affiliation with this musical whatsoever. I have definitely never performed anything for this musical at all. Anywho, please join me in welcoming Zoe Nizia, Shreya Scott, and Seamus O'Sullivan to perform Say No to This.
Ignore that. There's nothing like summer in the city. Someone undistressed means someone looking pretty. There's trouble in the air, and you can smell it. And Alexander's by himself. I'll let him tell it.
You've never seen a basketball court of the break. All from jealous. This is my life. That's what Miss Mariah Reynolds walks into my life. I know you are a man of honor. I'm so sorry about you at home, but I don't know where to go. And I can't hear you all alone. She said, my husband do me wrong, beat me, cheat me, mistreat me. Suddenly he's up and gone, and I don't have the means to go on. Go down the one and she said, I gave her $30 that I had socked away. She lived the mama way, she said, this one's mine, son. So I said, I should get back home. She turned red, she led me to her bed, let her legs spread and said, stay, hey, hey. That's when I began to pray, Lord, show me how to say no. I don't know how to say no. Cause if I should be so helpless, everybody's so helpless. I don't know how to say no to this. There's nowhere I can go. When the milk is on mine, I just say no. I wish I could say that was the last time. I said that last time it became a pastime. A month into this endeavor, I received a letter from Mr. James Reynolds. Even better, it said,
Dear sir, I hope this letter finds you in good health and in a prosperous enough position to put wealth in your pockets. People like me don't know the one you see. That was my wife who decided to. Oh, it ain't the wrong sucker to come home. It's time to pick the punch before the pants one rumble. And hey, you just see my whole wife. If the price is right, if not, I'm telling your wife.
I hit the letter ring, I race to a place. I'll put you in the face. No, sir. Take the mess you will protect. Please don't go, sir. So what's your whole story of setup? I don't know about any better. Stop crying, I didn't get up. I didn't know any better. I am ruined. I am helpless. Just give him what he wants so you can help. I don't want you. I don't want you. You can stay. I say no to this. I say no to this.
So?
Nobody wants to know.
For those who live under a rock, or if you don't live under the sea, poor unfortunate souls find us watching Ariel selling her voice. It sets the drama of the show. Will Ariel be able to win Eric's affection in 3 days? I don't know, because I've never seen the movie the whole way through, but I may live under a rock, under the sea. This is Patrick. Enjoy this performance by Delaney Frederickson, who, quote, has a penchant for the big diva villains.
My dear sweetheart, it's what I live for. To help unfortunate Virgo like yourself. Oh, poor souls. No one else to turn to. I forget that in the past I've been an ass. They were kidding on the witch. But you'll find nowadays I've been on my knees. It's my life switch. Yes. Fortunately, no little magic is a talent that I always have possessed. And like it please I use it on behalf of miserable, lonely, and depressed, pathetic, poor, unfortunate souls. This one longing to be bitter that would once again be broken to my help. Yes, indeed. Those poor, unfortunate souls, so sad, so true. They come flocking to my home and crying, "Fiddles and lilies," and I help them. Yes, I do. It's happened once or twice, so you couldn't pay the price. I'm afraid I haven't been close. I have no. Oh, I miss Before the sun sets on the third day, you've got to get dear old Prince to kiss you. If you do, you'll stay with him forever and well. If you don't, nothing drastic, permanent, sure. Oh, look, small prince. Oh, your soul's mine forever. You will spend eternity in my watery hill so clear. Lawyers. Of course, there is one more thing. My fee. I asked her for much only. Her voice. And I know what you're thinking. I don't have my voice. How can I ever? Well, you'll have her looks. Her pretty face. Don't underestimate the power of body language. The men up there don't like a lot of glamour. They think the world who gossips is bored. Yes, I'll land as much preferred for ladies not to say a word. And after all, then what is I want for? Come on! I'm all that impressed with conversation. True gentlemen avoid it when they can. But they don't say the thought on a lady who's abroad. She holds her tongue against her man. You are fortunate soul. Go ahead. Take your choice. I'm a very busy woman and I haven't got all day. More customers, just a voice. You are fortunate soul. So sad, so true. If you want to cross the bridge, you've got to pay the toll. Take a gold, take a breath, and go ahead and sign my school. Just how I got voice. What is the road? You poor unfortunate
Shawl, please report backstage. Next, Danny, a member of the T-Birds, has been abandoned for trying to have relations with his girlfriend Sandy. The pressure of being in the T-Birds makes it impossible for Danny to maintain the relationship, but he holds out hope anyway. It's his lovesick ode to his wholesome chick. Please enjoy Sandy, as performed by Lorenzo Ramirez and Maya Blackman.
Hi, everyone. Let's get it. Stranded at the drive-in, branded a fool. What will they say? Monday at school. Sandy, can't you see I'm in misery? We made a start, now we're apart. There's nothing left for me. Love has flown all alone. I sit, I wonder why, oh why you left me, oh Sandy. Sandy, my darling, you hurt me real bad. You know it's true. But baby, you gotta believe me when I say that I'm helpless without you. Love has flown all alone. I said, I wonder why, oh, why did you let me? Oh, Sandy, Sandy, Sandy. Why, oh, Sandy.
Sally Bowles is a cabaret performer and has fallen in love with Cliff Bradshaw, an American writer. To try and keep him around, Sally drops the showgirl facade and tries to win Cliff over with altruism, the wounded side of her love life. People take notes. This technique works 100% of the time. Please enjoy Maybe This Time as performed by Ray Shaw.
Maybe this time you'll stay. Maybe this time, for the first time, love won't hurry away. You love me fast. I'll be home at last. Not a rooster anymore, like the pastor at the time before. Everybody loves a winter, so nobody loves me. Lady peaceful, lady happy, that's what I want to be. Oh, the answer in my favor, something's bound to be.
Our first piece from Waitress this evening, Dawn's friends are pushing her to finish building her online dating profile and begin dating. But she's anxious about her future and her partner while immersing herself into the world. Please join me in welcoming Abby Hollerer to perform When He Sees Me.
The opening song of Barbie, Princess and Pauper, Free explores how regardless of how much you have, work still sucks to do. However, Yearning unites all walks of life. Please welcome Callista Lithgow and Emma Heiser to perform Free.
one day just for me. No one to do it for what's not where I need to be. No lessons, Lord, to lunches, or to do this in the way. No one to say when to eat or read or leave or stay. That would be the time. What would it be like to be free? Free to try crazy things. Free to fly and marry whom I choose. You may think that I'm so lucky that I have so many things. I'm realizing that every present comes with strings. Now I fear I'll never be free. When I close my eyes and feel myself fly 1,000 miles away, I could take flight, but would it be right? My conscience tells me stay. Are we forever royal? Duty means doing the things your heart may well regret, but will never stop believing. There's more to living than gloves and gowns and breads and sleeves. In my dreams, I'll be free.
Our second piece from Waitress this evening, Jenna struggles with the loss of her identity in her abusive relationship. I don't have anything funny. There's nothing funny. This is just sad. I'm sorry. Please join me in welcoming to the stage Imogen Schmitz to perform She Used to Be Mine.
It's not simple to say. Most days I don't recognize me. These shoes and this hair, that place and its patrons have taken more than I gave them. It's not easy to know I'm not anything like I used to be, although it's true, I was never attention sweet center. I still remember that girl. She's imperfect, but she tries. She is good, but she lies. She is hard on herself. She is broken and won't ask for help. She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She is all of this mixed
asked for. Sometimes life just slips in through a back door, carves out a person, makes you believe it's all true. And now I've got you, and you're not what I asked for. And if I'm honest, no, I would give it all back for a chance to start over and rewrite an ending or two for the girl that I knew would be reckless just enough, who gets hurt, but who learns how to tough it up when she's bruised and gets used by American love. And then she'll get stuck and be scared of a knife that's inside her, who's stronger each day to win, finally reminds her to fight just a little to bring back the fire in her eyes. That's me go, but it used to be mine. Oh, it used to be mine. She's messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She gets all this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine.
For this next act, we have a little song, and this act also needs no introduction. We have the San Diego Serenade, written by Tom Waits and performed by Professor Dickie J.
Never saw my hometown till I stayed away too long. Never heard of nothing till I needed a song. Never spoke I love you till I cursed your name in vain. Never held my heartstrings till I nearly went insane. Never saw the white lines I was leaving you behind. Never knew I needed you till I was caught up in a bind. Never spoke I love you till I cursed your name in vain. Never felt my heartstrings till I nearly went insane. Never saw the East Coast till I moved to the West. Never saw the moonlight till it shone off your breast. Never felt my heart till someone tried to steal you away. Never felt my heart until I pulled down your face. Never saw the morning till I stayed up all night. Never saw the sunshine till turned out your love light, baby. Never saw my hometown till I stayed away too long. Never heard the melody till I needed a song.
You know, there wasn't word for this next piece, but if I have to describe the plot of Frozen to you, that's So, please, join me in welcoming to the stage Colin Craigie and Hannah McGee to perform Love is an Open Door.
Can I just say something crazy?
I'm so crazy.
My life has been a series of doors in my face. And suddenly I bump into you.
See the same thing, 'cause I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. Maybe it's the party talking, or the chocolate fondue. But with you, I found my place. And it's not right, I don't know if I'm That's what I was going to say. You think so much like me. Chase again, our mental synchronization. Can't have an explanation. You and I were just meant to be. Say goodbye to the pain of the past. We